Welcome to Alcohello. My name is Think Twice Mike. I'm going to teach you 3 ways to make the Mai Tai. The Beach Bar Mai Tai, the 1970s Disco Mai Tai, and the original 1940s Mai Tai. I'm going to teach you these ways, but first, please hit that subscribe button and that bell and get notified on any videos I'm making. Comment below only if you like the videos. Please let me know what you think. So originally, the Mai Tai was created way back in the day, 1940s. Traders Vic's and Don the Beachcombers created this beautiful rum, Mai Tai, and Mai Tai in Tahitian means the very best. And they used something called orgeat syrup, which is a almond syrup. I'll tell you a little bit how to make it throughout this video, but I'm gonna teach you what it's transitioned to today and why this one is way better. So keep watching. Right now I'm going to show you the very first Mai Tai in my collection of Mai Tais. This is called the Beach Bar Mai Tai. This is what you're probably going to typically get when you go to a beach bar and ask for a Mai Tai. Somebody that doesn't really know too much about rum knows you probably want some light rum, dark rum, and some fruit juices. So I'm going to teach you how to make it. It's very simple. It's going to be 1.5 ounces of your light rum. Really simple, this one. And this is really just a what to expect when ordering a Mai Tai. And so, you know, you'll do 1.5 ounces of that. If the person that you're ordering a Mai Tai from even knows that Mai Tai is supposed to have an almond flavor in it, they might grab the Di Serono. It just depends where you're at, because some people will probably just put light rum, dark rum, pineapple, orange juice, and grenadine. So that's what I'm going to do for you here, just a quick sample. I think the pineapple, orange juice, grenadine thing is really overplayed, especially at beach bars. But they're probably going to put 1.5 ounces of each pineapple and orange juice. And then they're probably going to give it a little shake. If you're lucky. And serve you as quickly as possible by adding a little grenadine and making it flashy. And they'll do a little bit of that to make it look spectacular. And they'll probably give you a little dark rum floater on top, just because that's typical with a Mai Tai, or at least they think so. And then they'll probably garnish you with something like pineapple or something like that right on the side. Like I said, this one's going to be a little overplayed, but this might be what you get when you order a Mai Tai. If you've ever drank a red Mai Tai, this is probably what you got. So I'm going to give it a taste. Again, overplayed, not too impressive. Pineapple, orange juice, and grenadine, we've all had it. But I wanted to do it for you to show you the quality of Mai Tai that you're about to get with the next drink. This version of the Mai Tai is going to be called the 1970s or Disco Mai Tai. This came along when everybody started ordering Mai Tais at beach bars and nightclubs because it became super popular in South California. Essentially, it is just a little juicier version of what really a Mai Tai should be. So traditionally a Mai Tai should have light rum, dark rum, orgeat, which is a almond syrup. An almond syrup that's very simple to make. I can kind of tell you really how to make it just really simply. Unsweetened almond milk, sugar, and orange flower water is essentially what it is. And this is what originally made the Mai Tai. This version of the Mai Tai, the Disco Mai Tai, will have pineapple juice in it, which the 1940s Traders Vic or Don the Beachcombers Mai Tai did not have pineapple juice in it. But this is a fun way to drink it. This is one of actually my favorite ways to drink it. This is how we serve it at my tiki bar where I currently work. So this is gonna be a 1970s Disco Mai Tai. I hope you're ready. The beach bar Mai Tai is kind of what the Mai Tai has came to be, because people don't know how to make it, so they just put pineapple, orange juice, and grenadine and everything. So this is a little more traditional, a little better. We're gonna start off with an ounce or an ounce and a half of your light rum. I'm using a traditional Havana Club straight from Cuba. This is the good stuff right here. I got a plug for this. Thank you, Christina. All right, so ounce and a half there. Then we're gonna take our pressed lime juice and we're gonna do 3/4 ounce. And then we'll take our orgeat and do another 3/4 ounce. Real simple. And then we'll take a Cointreau or orange carousel, dry carousel, whatever you have at home. Make it simple on yourself. This is gonna be 1/2 ounce of that. And then we'll take roughly an ounce to an ounce and a half of pineapple juice in this Disco Mai Tai. Really simple. Then you're gonna ice it down. Mai Tais usually have crushed ice. Notice I didn't mention that in the first Mai Tai I made with the Beach Bar Mai Tai because traditionally they're just gonna make it as fast as they can, as easy as they can, and get you out of their face. So this is a little more care. At least you have the almond syrup in there. Orgeat is a really unique ingredient and it gives a huge depth to the cocktail. I'm using really, really nice rum here because I actually want to drink these drinks. So this is going to be a aged rum. You might not get so lucky ordering a Mai Tai usually, but this is what would be called a 1970s Disco Mai Tai. I did about 3/4 ounce on top, a couple bar spoons to get some nice flavor up in there. Top it up with some crushed ice here. And typically with these Mai Tais, you'll see some pineapple fronds and maybe an orchid. And this is typically what you might get for the 1970s Disco Mai Tai. This is somebody that actually knows how to make a Mai Tai and that what is actually in a Mai Tai. So let's go ahead and take a sip. See, the reason why I think that the pineapple juice it's almost over sweetening the drink and ruining the fact that I have really good rum in here. So in the next drink, you'll see the 1940s Mai Tai is a really emphasis on nice rum and more of a spirit-forward cocktail where this is a nice fruity, flowery drink. So you can see, this is the 1970s Disco Mai Tai. It's actually really good though. The almond syrup is really prominent and comes through, makes for a really good balanced drink. So last but not least, this is the 1940s Trader Vic's Mai Tai or Don the Beachcombers. Nobody really knows. It's from the 1940s or late 1930s after the Prohibition. The point to this is it's going to be a spirit-forward drink with 2 high-quality rums, both an amber rum and a rum agricole, which is a RHUM rum agricole. Usually a French style, meaning it's going to be pressed from green sugarcane. Essentially what a Mai Tai is going to be, a real Mai Tai, is going to have that orgeat syrup I talked about. I couldn't find a high quality one in my stores locally, so I made my own. And I told you how to do that already, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this drink. 1 ounce of your amber rum. High quality, this is Havana Club straight from Cuba. This is a really nice amber rum. Shout out to my Havana Club plug, Christina, thank you again. And here we are with the Rum Babanku. This is a 4-year, this is again, rum agricole, meaning it's pressed from green sugarcane juice. Then we'll back that with a little pressed lime juice, 3/4 ounce. And then we'll do a 3/4 ounce of your orgeat syrup or almond syrup. And then, last but not least, orange carousel. I have Cointreau here, but if you have orange carousel or dry carousel, 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce of that. If I can get that pour, and there you are. So this drink, again, is going to be served over crushed ice. Definitely a more spirit-forward drink. You're going to be using 2 ounces of very nice rum here. And not using any real fruit juices other than lime juice to make this drink. So you just give it a good little shake. And then we will pour it over the crushed ice like so. And you can tell, it almost looks like I did put pineapple juice in it, but really I didn't. It's just the colors of the rums I used. And they always garnished with the mint sprig with the nice Mai Tai. Gotta always wake up the mint and liven up the essential oils there. So, that is a 1940s Mai Tai. I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know how it feels. By the way, paper straws save the turtles. This is a tiki style drink. This is what you're looking for when you're drinking a Mai Tai. Some people are looking for that pineapple orange juice grenadine thing. More power to you. But this is what a Mai Tai is supposed to be. The very best. In Tahitian, Mai Tai means the very best. And these are some of the very best rums made with the very best care. And as good as I can anyway. There you have it, a 1940s Mai Tai. Thank you for watching Alcohello. I hope you enjoyed the 3 Mai Tais we had drinking today. Please subscribe, hit that like button if you did like it. Anything you see here today is in the link below. Please follow me, click those links, subscribe. I'll see you next time on Alcohello.